Uned 22. Gorffennol, amherffaith, roedd. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to talk about what was happening over a period of time, using the imperfect tense, forms of roedd yn Gymraeg. In the school setting, you'll be discussing imperfect past tense activities when you talk about what was happening or what used to happen with the children. Starting with forms of roedd, roughly translated as was, were, or used to be. We'll add the verb eisiau at the end of the patterns you have looked at in the tables in the previous section of the unit. Remember that eisiau means to want. So to ask a child what they wanted, you'd say, beth oeddet ti eisiau? Beth oeddet ti eisiau? Meaning, what did you want? You try it. Beth oeddet ti eisiau? Very often in South Wales, we'll shorten the word eisiau, and you're likely to hear eisiau. You will also hear moyn. All are fine to use in spoken Welsh. To answer by saying, I wanted something, say, roeddwn i eisiau, followed by an item. Here are some examples. Roeddwn i eisiau banana. I wanted a banana. Roeddwn i eisiau afal. I wanted an apple. Roeddwn i eisiau oren. I wanted an orange. Da iawn chi. Now we'll try a question with fe, him in it. Beth oedd e eisiau? You try it. Beth oedd e eisiau? Here are some examples of how to answer what he wanted. Roedd e eisiau sydd oren. He wanted orange juice. Roedd e eisiau dŵr. He wanted water. Roedd e eisiau diod. He wanted a drink. Now we'll try a question with he, her in it. Beth oedd hi eisiau? You try it. Beth oedd hi eisiau? Here are some examples of how to answer what she wanted. Roedd hi eisiau afal. She wanted an apple. Roedd hi eisiau llaeth. She wanted milk. Roedd hi eisiau mefus. She wanted strawberries. You will look at other persons in this section. Ni, us, chi, plural you, and nhw, them. But this video will help you form the patterns by using beth in the question, and eisiau as you ask and answer this question. Pob hwyl I chi.